Hi everybody, this video is to show you how to schedule an appointment at the Writing Center. And the way to do that is to go to the Carthage Writing Center website, which is carthage.mywconline.com. And if you ever can't remember that, that's okay. You just have to Google Carthage Writing Center and click on the first link that pops up and scroll down to schedule your appointment. Then you're going to be asked to put in your email and your password and click on the correct available schedule. If you ever can't remember your password, that's okay. Right down here it says reset your password, and you can reset it right away and then schedule your appointment. From there, you just hit login, and here's the Carthage Writing Center webpage. All of these white boxes are available appointments, so that's what you'll click on when you want to schedule an appointment. Right here, it shows the day that you can schedule your appointment on, as well as who's working. And right here, it shows what types of appointments each person has available. So let's say I wanted to schedule an appointment with Ashley at 5 p.m. I would click on her white box. And there's a little bit about Ashley right here. There's a little bit about every writing fellow on their like specific page. And you can read about their majors, their minors, where they're from, just get to know a little bit about them before you schedule your appointment. And then you're going to be asked, how would you like to meet? And your options during the school year are going to be live, virtual, written feedback, and in person. And then from there, you're just going to put in your course and your course code. And your course code, if you don't know where to find it, you just have to go to Schoology, and it's right here. So Introduction to Political Theory would be POL 1070, and then go back. Your instructor's name and their email. And then you can select if you would like to have a report of the session sent to your professor. Sometimes professors ask you to come specifically, and this is the way we know to send them a report. You can also select no, it is totally up to you. And then here, we can ask you what kind of paper you're working on, as well as your main reason for coming to the Writing Center. And this really helps us know what way to lead the session, exactly what you want to focus on right away. Just like an umbrella reason for coming. And then under concerns and comments, you can really break down what you want the appointment to look like, what you need help with, whether that's brainstorming, grammar, proofreading, flow, structure, analysis, integrating quotations. It is completely up to you what you want to put on here. You can also say, I have no idea what I need help with. I just need help. All of that's perfectly fine. Or you can scroll down and attach a file if there's like a Word document or a prompt that your professor has laid out for you specifically. And then you can select, yes, I have attached a prompt. And then the link to your Google Doc, you can find that link by going to the document that you want to share and hitting share. And then copy link right here. And we also request that you share your document with the Carthage Writing Center, which the email is writingcenter@carthage.edu. And then here we ask that you read through our terms and conditions, which basically just goes over respect and professionalism, privacy, and upholding our community code. And from there, all you have to do is hit create appointment, and everything is perfect. And that is how you schedule an appointment at the Writing Center.